How to fix File Explorer crashing on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm Hatsu60 today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Windows. Right click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you right click on the bottom left corner of your screen, click on Windows PowerShell, which will open this page. Here, simply copy paste as shown on the screen. It is also available below in the description. After you've pasted that, press on enter. After you press on enter, it will process and your problem will fix. You can also restart your device at last. And this is how to fix File Explorer crashing on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.